What's up, guys? It is Tuesday at around 11 right now. I am just waiting for something that I have to take care of here at the house. And then I'm gonna head to the gym. This is actually gonna be my first workout of the week. So today I'm pretty sure we'll be back in shoulders on the Sweat app for the Power Program. And I swear, when I just take 2 days off, I feel like I've taken like a month off because already I'm like, it's gonna be so hard, but gotta do it. So I probably won't eat until after my workout. And yeah, I've been doing really good with my food lately. Oh my God, I got these keto popsicles and I swear they've been a lifesaver for me. Let me show you. Okay, so they're not exactly keto ice creams, but they're sugar-free and they're low carb. I got them at Whole Foods. So 14 grams of carbs and then minus the dietary fiber is 9 grams of carbs. I think that's right. Hold on, let's check my app. Okay, so I'm in the Carb Manager app and let's scan the barcode. Whoa, that is so weird. Kelsey's calling me right now. Hold, please. Hello?
Hey!
Hi, Booski. That's so random that you called me. I'm vlogging right now.
No.
Yeah, hold on.
Dude, but I just hope you know how freaking proud I am of you. And I finally got caught up on your vlog. I watched the last 2 this morning, and it literally made me cry. Like, I'm so proud of you!
Okay, so much stuff just happened at once. I wasn't able to vlog and snap at the same time, but my friend Patrick Taw just did this coolest like PR drop off for the launch of his brand. Let me show you guys. This is my friend Patrick Taw's launch. He's launching his own beauty brand. So we have some body glow, highlighters, glosses, and then these flowers are insane. And these balloons. Gremlin, you were so good. You didn't make one noise. Wow. I'm just like, this is crazy. Okay, so according to the Carb Manager app, those bars only have 3 grams of net carbs. So my math was definitely wrong. 150 calories, which is not that bad. But I feel like I feel like those bars are like a necessary treat for me. Like I can eat that and feel like if I eat those, it makes me feel like I'm not gonna binge. Kelsey is so awesome. She literally just called me to be like, I just caught up on your vlogs. I've been meaning to call you and just say I'm so proud of you. And dude, every time I talk to her, I don't know, it just makes me feel so good and so motivated and just like at ease in my journey. She's like, it doesn't matter if you haven't lost a pound because you're doing the workouts and you're treating your body good. Your heart is getting stronger. It's about your health. Like, I feel really lucky to have Kelsey in my life as someone who, I don't know, just believes in me and helps me, and I don't know, I just feel really lucky. But you know what's funny is we were even talking today, like how we became friends was before I even started my vlog series. I forget about it now because we talk about health so much, but when we first met, I hadn't even started my vlogs. I was telling her I wanted to do it. And it's funny, she brought it up today, I forgot about it. She was saying that I was telling her that I wanted to vlog all of it and then like after months and months of doing it, like upload it. And she was like, no, you gotta bring them along the journey with you. I just finished up my workout, and I am so proud of myself. Like, I began my workout with the mindset of just don't give a fuck what anybody's thinking. No one's looking at you. Just do your thing. And little did I know that I was gonna need all those 0 fucks for this workout, because there were incline push-ups in my future. And you guys may have noticed in last week's vlog what happened when I tried to do them, which was nothing. Literally, I could not do them. So when it happened today, I was like, I was in the middle of the weight room, and I was like, these are gonna be so embarrassing. There's hella people around. I was like, I'll just do something else. And I was like, no, because you'll never get better if you don't do them. So I did all 12 of them. Maybe they were pathetic. Maybe I looked like struggling potato, but I do not care, because I pushed through it. And next time I do it, hopefully I'm gonna be better at it. I will be better at it. There's no way I could be worse than how I was today. And I feel good about that. I'm about to drive to a doctor's appointment right now to get my thyroid tested, just to eliminate that out of the way, just because I feel like a lot of people have told me I should get my thyroid tested. So we'll see what happens, but I'm probably going to be in traffic for a minute. But I feel like my arms feel like noodles right now, just toast. You guys, I finally just made it home. I am so pooped. It's already late. I should have vlogged when I made dinner, but I was kind of hangry, I have to admit. That's not an excuse, but I was just like super tired and hungry. I was like, I'll just make dinner and I'll vlog in a second. And then I didn't. It's only like 9:45, but I'm just like wiped out. I think it was from my workout and then not really eating today. That was not the move. But I was down in Santa Monica, and I went to the store to try and find something to eat, but I couldn't find anything except for this Quest bar and a flavor I didn't really like. I want to try and get up and film early-ish tomorrow. I have an event tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I have to book my flight for San Francisco this weekend. I have so much stuff to do. Okay. All right. All right, good night, you guys. Hi guys, it is Wednesday at 2:30. I'm just heading to the gym now. I'm feeling like I'm getting more settled into my journey. Like, eating normally and like not eating, like overeating is like, feels more comfortable now, just because like it's been a couple weeks of like trying to build these new habits, and I'm finally feeling more comfortable with them. Like, I don't have so much of a problem with eating this way and working out. So yeah, I'm gonna work out, and then I want to go to Whole Foods and get some more of those little ice cream bars, because they're very necessary. And then I want to try and film something really quick. And then one of my favorite brands, Laura Mercier, is having an event tonight, so I'm going to stop by there too. It's in Hollywood. I'm excited for legs and abs today at the gym. Tomorrow, I don't know. I can't really talk right now. Do you ever feel like that? Like, sometimes your words are just flowing and you're like, wow, I'm so articulate. Like, how do I know all these words? And then other times you just like cannot form a sentence. That's me right now. I'm so toast after that workout. Like, I feel like shaky, and I ate before my workout. Like, I don't get it. Coffee. I need lots of coffee. So I'm on my way right now. I feel like I always wear the same thing to these events, and it's because I always wear the same thing to these events. I actually was gonna wear a different color hat, but then I just ended up wearing all black, and I was like, just be safe and wear the black one. Alan and Derek are gonna come with me to the event, and yeah. Oh, I brought a little Quest bar with me because, I don't know, I've just been feeling like wiped out after my workout and like hungry, but then like kind of like nauseous. I don't know why. But yeah. Hey, he said he's gonna wait.
You said he's gonna wait?
Yeah, how long, Ellen?
Okay, thank you. Derek just got home. Just putting on clothes. So probably like 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes?
I cannot.
Yeah.
All right, never mind. He's not gonna wait. Come, I'm gonna come up.
All right.
Bye.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. So because of Alan, my Uber driver just left me. I'm probably gonna get 0 stars because we were waiting downstairs for Alan for 20 minutes. And then what does he do when we get up here? Starts making fun of my outfit. Was it your fault, Derek?
Hey, Tina Tom, calm down.
Oh, great. What'd you say my hat is?
Mario. Don't knock him down.
Do you feel awkward? Were you
I just walk up like someone owed us money.
You guys? They wanted to say what's up to the vlog. A bunch of clothes for Gremlin.
Fashion show.
How you feeling, Grem? Do you like your little hoodie?
I love it.
She's wagging her tail. She does like it.
There's your tail. Look at you. You look like a baby.
You look so cute. Ooh,
Who's ready to go out?
fancy.
You can see this. Diamonds. Diamonds, our girl's best friend.
Aw. Hi guys, so Catherine and I just made it to the Patrick Ta event.
Patrick Top Beauty.
Patrick Ta Beauty. We're wearing the glow, body glow, and yeah, we're about to head in. Let's check it out.
Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Hi guys, how are you?
The man of the hour, Patrick Ta.
Your hair is on and on. Oh my god! Look at us guys! We are wearing the same pants from the boutique that I put her on.
Patrick put me on game because he was snatched.
That's my boyfriend. Except I have a moose knuckle.
So my flight boards in 10 minutes. We're still on the 405.
Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure.
She just said she doesn't want to be in the vlog, and I'm like,
If you learn the correct way, and then if you're like me, I knew how to throw over the top, but I was second.
you guys, this is my grandpa. He's amazing, and I asked him if he'll say hi to the vlog.
Hi, everybody. I got my beautiful granddaughter here, and I love her very much. And you couldn't ask for a better granddaughter.
That Michelle is
Show your
mom.
friends this picture of you.
His mom.
Show all the kids
Remember
and
he was
stuff.
in the stroller in the first one and she
Yeah, it was
Look at your
terrible.
brother.
And then Mitchell.
Oh,
started
Alan
getting
in his
into
Barney
it, so
shirt.
she was just getting it.
his shirt is classic.
Hey, what's happening?
What's happening?
Yeah.
Wody?
Wody.
Haley? Hi. Jackson, say hi to my vlog. Cha-ching! We are What's my vlog?
Well, like, what is it?
Wow, you can see how supportive my cousin is.
Ain't no social media, no Snapchat, no Instagram, no Facebook. You catch me out here. Yay!
Tell the people what we're doing tonight then.
We're just gonna get a little bit of eat, a little bit of pizza or some pasta or...
Little family dinner?
Yeah. We're in Ralston, Belmont. Might be some good credit out here, you know.
What are you doing, Jackson?
Got a big sandwich.
Did Leanne just give you change?
For what? What are you using? Oh, for play gift.
Oh, where'd the baby go? Haley, do you know where his water is? Vlogging. They're laughing at me because I'm eating pepperoni. But the real joke is that Kristen took it off her pizza because she said it's too spicy. Are you vlogging? Can you guys say what's up to my vlog?
Hi, vlog.
Alma's in the front seat, chilling. We're
going to the Giants game.
We're on the way to the Giants game, and we are dressed real extra.
I think it's appropriate.
You can't tell right now, but
Just wait till we get out.
just wait till we get out.
Just wait until you see.
These muffins, and then so we're gonna adventure after, and we're having girls' day, long overdue.
In the bay. In the yay.
Yo. Guys, it is Sunday morning. Royce and I are here in the car. We're doing some running around. I got a coffee. Last night was real litty. I got like zero male attention when I was out. Like not one guy tried to talk to me. I didn't even see anyone that I wanted to talk to, you know, so that, you know, it's not the best. I'm so dumb. Anyways, just kidding. So we're gonna go to brunch right now. I stuck to my diet, but I did drink like a ton of alcohol. Yeah, we're gonna go to lunch. We're gonna go to Mexican. I'm excited because we're going with my brother, his wife, my nieces and nephews, like my cousins, like the whole gang is gonna be there. So I feel really thankful that, you know, I get to see everyone. And yeah, do you have anything to say, Royce? I think he said it all.
Submit your receipt to, and then I thank you.
Everybody say hi. Hi. I'm talking to